How to fix WhatsApp audio problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp audio problem on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and here just type here WhatsApp and click on it, and that's it. Now just click storage and then click this one, clear cache, and then go to permissions, this one, and scroll down. Now all you need to do, just enable all of those here. You will find it like that. You will find the microphone, you will find it here. Denied, just click on microphone and click allow, and then allow storage and all of those here, and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.